Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 67 Chevy El Camino. Come from a gentleman who passed away in Colorado. I bought it from his son. It was his restoration project. We did a little bit of finishing it on, like heater cables and some adjustments, changed the tire size out, and Harry badged it SS 427, just a small block in it. Aftermarket headlights. Looks like the bumpers are probably new. A lot of new trim because he sent a lot of old trim with it, so I believe there's a lot of new trim. The paint actually has a pretty good shine on it, as you can see there. He just didn't do the best job of blocking and finishing. Trying to show you a few little things there up in the roof. Not real bad, but just so you can see it there. And then if you look down the sides, like I said, just needed a little more block, and it's got a good shine there. You can see my reflection there, but it's hard to see, but I hope you can kind of see that a little bit where it's a little wavy. It is quite a bit of mud back in these quarters, just so you know. And then down here you can see it waving too. Don't know, there's a lot of mud in there. The back side of the door looks nice and clean, and so it does there. And being a Colorado car, I would think it's probably pretty rust free, but they did put some mud in there. Interior's good. Interior's all done, new carpet. He's only using one of them gauges, if I remember right. Stereo system. Like I said, we did some work on the heater controls. Says it's a Super Sport right there. Don't believe it is. Did a good job there, you know. I mean, said the chrome looks new. Like I said, you can, there's some mud in there. Just want you to know that. I never was told that when I bought it, but I'm not going to do it that way. So you will know exactly what I think of the car. So you can see on my website, if I still have it, I have a really nice one that's a lot more money. So if you want one that is nice and straight, look at that maroon one that I have. But you probably see it there, a little wavy. But like I said, the paint quality is good. So a nice 10-footer, nice driver quality car. But like I said, probably some mud in them quarters. Don't want to misrepresent it. Maybe you can see them little imperfections up on there. But like I said, doesn't really seem to be any rust areas. Doors shut nice. So he's got coil over shocks up front with slotted brake disc, wildwood brakes. Also A-arms, tubular A-arms. So there's some extras on it. Sounds good, runs good. We'll give you a video of it running and driving. 605-695-7391.